Yeah, First order up, we have a 7-Eleven. This is going to be $12, going 6.5 miles. Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got the next order right away. This one's going to be for Jack in the Box, going 3.5 miles.
Are you picking up, you say?
Yeah, picking up for Tyler.
Oh, it's not ready in the screen.
Okay.
I think I need you waiting in the park because it's not ready, not in the screen.
10 minutes in, still waiting. 15 minutes in, and it looks like they're coming out to bring it to me. So that's a good thing.
Are you waiting, all right?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, wonderful.
Total for that was $9 and change. I don't know if that was really worth it. That kind of took forever to do. Next up, we've got a Burgerville going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $7 and change. Pretty good, pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh, nice. Total for that one was $10. Next order is up. We've got a stacked Burgerville. This is $13 going 6.5 miles.
The Dr. Pepper goes with Justin, and then the other two are with Hannah.
Gotcha. All the sauces were already in there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Kind of just ran out this morning.
No problem.
Nothing else?
There you are. Good deal.
I have a nest in there.
You too, thank you. Just got the next order. This is a Victor Rico's going, it says 12 miles, but I know that's a lie. I don't know why the GPS has just got me routed in such a weird way. It's probably closer to like 8, if that. I don't know. This place should be open.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. No, you're all good. I thought I got the time wrong. Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I just realized this is only 2 items, so maybe I should just take the scenic route, because I don't know if there's going to be a tip on this. Yeah, quick question. Why is it raining? Just curious. Not sure if you could read their little sign there, but rest in peace, Panda. Total for that ended up being $11 and change, so not really that amazing. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks going 2.5 miles.
There you go, my dear.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great one.
You too. Total for that order ended up being $7, and it took us 14 minutes, so not bad. Next order up, we've got a Kitchen Table Cafe going 5 miles. They just gave me an add-on order for muchas gracias going an extra mile. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. What is this? Oh, that's gonna be upstairs. It's gonna be all the way upstairs. Total for those two ended up being $17, and they only took 20 minutes to do, so very good. Just got the next order. This is a Seize the Bagel, $14 going 7 miles.
Got that Kanako?
There you go.
Bagel with butter.
I don't know if I was tripping or what, but I gotta show you guys something. Luckily, I don't think there was any damage to that guy's truck. And I totally forgot that I took this order as I was waiting for the bagels. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $7, going 2 miles, 3 items. Bro. Okay, well, the lock on my camera just broke, so I'm not gonna be able to record this because my camera's just gonna face the ground. Picking up some alcohol and some orange juice. I will fix this after this order. I'm gonna go home and pick up a new one.
Here is this for you.
Thank you.
Michael.
Total for that one was $8 and change, and we got the next order just now. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $11, going 5 miles, 5 items.
Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries.
I might have to disturb you rolling around in the dirt, kitties. Okay, apparently my dash ended, so I'm gonna call it here. It's still pretty early, but I think I'm just over it. Current time is 10:22. Current total, we are at 126. And I think I have 2 Uber tips that I'm waiting on, which should bring it up to at least 136. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.